My dear friends, today I'm going to discuss about Dvna Advanced Accounting Management Software. It's one parts of our softwares. Okay, so we have developed many softwares, but sometimes customer requirement is that they want to manage A to Z accounting system with these softwares. So I am little bit focused on this advanced accounting management software. Why this is advanced accounting management software? Because we will manage all transactions in advance details. That's why. Okay, so these softwares has many components, but we are going to discuss today highlighted features like first I will discuss the account ledger grid. So in this account ledger grid I will explain you how account ledger grid is user friendly and how it will be used and how it will be helpful to your business accounting systems. And then after that we will come to the journal entry. So general entry in accounting system is very important things. So general entry means uh, in your organization, in your company have a single entry level. Whatever transaction in your company, it will goes through the general entry. So I will explain you general entry, how it will work and how will you manage all transaction with the help of the general entry. I will explain you. Okay, so now after completing this general entry, I will explain you about the debitors. Yeah, debitors balance report. Debitor balance report means whatever your customer, whatever your customer they are purchasing some product from your company and they are taking some dues amount, so that balance report will be come together. Suppose you in your organization have one debitor, two debitor, yeah, more than 1000 whatever debitors. Okay, so all transactions details, whatever balance details, it will come to the debitors या debitor balance reports. Okay, after that we will discuss, we will show you the practical data, how creditor balance report is work. Okay, so according to transaction, whatever transaction carried in your organization, then with that transaction it will generate the credit balance reports. Okay, then next one will be the creditor list. How many customers, these customer list you can get creditor list. Debitor list, how many customers. So it will, I will explain you, I will detail show you the practical demo. This list report you can get. Okay, so just I am coming to the software. Okay, so this is the one of modules of our hotel management software. From there you have to login. Just I am going to login. Okay, so after a login you will get one menu that is called advanced menu. From advanced menu, first let me discuss, we have already told you we will discuss regarding the laser grid, right? So I'm going to there, you will find this laser grid. Okay, so from advanced menu you go to the laser grid and click on this. Okay, so after clicking on this, this view will be shows like this. Okay, so it's a account id, its account id and customers full name, account types, is it expense account, is it sales account, yeah, is it whatever types of accounts it will show. and then transaction type. What kind of transaction? It is debit transaction or credit transaction, this debitor transaction or creditor transaction, like this. And then you will find the next is company name, matlab for this account is belongs to which company. And here you will find the account numbers, the company's account number, on which date it is created. So here you will see the date, on which date this ledger is created. Okay, so actually here you see the list of users, and here you will see like 1 2 3, this is the page number. So currently this is the one page, page number one. Okay, so if you want to jump from page number 1 to page number 2, then you have to click on this. So now it's came to the page number 2. Okay, here you will see like this. Okay, so this is the page number 2 selected. If now you want to go to jump to the page number 3, then just you go to there and click on that, this page. Okay, so in this way you can jump from one page to second page to one page, and any page. So according to data available in this sheet, this page will be automatic generated. Okay, so now I have come to the first page. Okay, let first page, just I'm going to this one, just I'm clicking on the view details. Okay, so after view details it is showing like this. That means this customer information, this customer information means his account ID, this his first name is this, in this, and this is the full name and account type and company name and bank account number and created date. Okay, so now there is nothing transaction, there is nothing, this ledger is already created but there is nothing transaction, so you will not be able to see the transaction. Now I'm going to click. Okay, now I'm coming to next one. Okay, so here also I'm not able to see any transaction, just I'm going to there. Okay, so no transaction. uh, no transaction. Like I'm just coming to there. Oh, so this is the one of account ledger, here many transaction is there. Okay, so you see the transaction date and transaction descriptions and two transaction description to transaction description. Transaction description means whatever, what kinds of the transaction is carried on this account, it will be display here. Like I'm able to see by software sales, by software sales, by software sales, like this. Okay, and purchase made two transaction it is showing there. Okay, here one is the one account number and this one is the account number. Okay, so here one is the debit transaction, this is the credit, and this is the balance, like this. Okay, so just I am coming to this transaction. So from this account 15,000 is debited. Okay, so here it is showing the debit transaction. From this account it is 5,000 is debited, it is showing the debit transaction. Okay, again here one transaction is showing the credit transaction. Okay, then it's balance. So in this way you can able to see, you will be able to see the all transactions of the this account. Okay, here you can see also the two buttons, one is the print button and another one is the close button. Just I am going to click on the print button. When you will see the click on the print button, then it will show you these all transaction details. And from this is the export button. From this export button you can export data in Excel, either PDF or Word. So first I am showing you, suppose we want to export the data in the Excel. So just I have exported in the Excel. Okay, now this report has come in the Excel format. Okay, now I'm just closing this. Now I'm going to the this report. Just I'm clicking on the PDF. So from this export button it will develop one PDF report. Okay, so this is the PDF report. Now I'm just coming to there. I'm going to click export on Word. So I'm just clicking on the Word, it will generate the Word document. So in this way we can export data from this report here to three format. One is the PDF format, another Excel format, PDF format, and MS Word format. Okay, so you can see the account ledger details from here. Now I'm clicking on the close button. Okay, then it's closed and this is the final grid. Now I'm coming to how, just I'm explaining you how search button is work. Okay, so suppose we want to find the company account which is starting from A. So here is the company. Suppose I want to see the this layer, so we have to select this. Just I have selected this one, and then I'm going to click view. So there is no transaction, that's why it's not showing. Okay, now just let me, suppose I want to see some like this company ledger, then click on view. Okay, so it is showing here all transactions details. Just I'm clicking on the close. Okay, so I have shown you whatever, suppose P. I want to search the company starting with letter P. So from there I have selected and just I'm going to click on this. So it will show you the transaction details like this. This company has three transaction. One transaction is credit transaction, and this two transaction is the debit transactions, and balance is 0. So we have discussed and we have shown you the all details about the accounts ledger grid. So how accounts ledger grid is working and how you will use its feature from here. So we have shown you each and every steps. Okay, now I want to move into the general entry, like general entry. Okay, so first let me explain you. Just I'm going to click one more things remind here. Here you will see the three buttons: creditor list, debitor list, and all list. If you will click on the creditor list, it will show the all accounts, all creditor account list. Now I'm just going to click on debitor list. So after clicking on the debitor list, it will show you the all account listed in debitor transaction types. Okay, and third button is the all list. If you will click on the all list, then it will give the entire account list. Now I'm going to click. Okay, so after closing this page will come, and now let's very important things, the general entry transaction. I'm going to there. From this menu you will get the general entry. Okay, so first let me explain about this general entry. The name of this general entry, then general entry and in this general entry you will see the two parts. One is the debit part and another one is the credit part. One part is the debit part and another one is the credit part. Okay, let's see. I am just explaining you. This is the transaction date, this is calendar, this is calendar, this is transaction date, this is calendar for selecting the transaction. Okay, now by transaction means the debit transaction. Whatever transaction is debited, suppose by bill number 23, just this is the search for company name. Just I am selecting the Dvna subject, and then after that I am selecting the account number. After putting this company name, its account number automatically come. Let's now I am putting the transaction 5,000. Okay, so here from this date to debit, this is the debit part completed. Now this is the one kind of transaction. So if some account, if this account is debited by 5,000, that means this 5,000 must be credited to some accounts. Okay, so now we have to insert the details on which account to. Just I am giving the two transaction detail. Bill number 23. Okay, suppose I am putting the transaction to which account, like let me give, just I am going to give this, I am just selecting to like this. Okay, then it will give the account number. Just I have selected. Okay, now we have filled debit part from this transaction date to debit. This is the debit part, and from to transaction detail to this credit details. So this is the credit part. So for this transaction, one this DBNS offtake is the debitor transaction. The DBNS offtake account is going to debit, and Arshita Kamti account is going to credit by 5,000. So suppose you are doing the general entry, then that times how will you check, is it the correct transaction entry or not? So you can verify. Suppose here see the general balance. If general balance is 0, it means your debit and credit is perfect. But here it is the automated that whenever you will put the debit transaction, suppose I am in this place, I am putting the 4,000. Okay, so it will 4,000 is the debit transaction, so 4,000 will be the credit transaction. It will automatically change. So again I am going to change it the 5,000. Okay, now see the effect. Here 5,000 is automatically changes. Okay, so now I am going to, so you general entry means why general entry, because this general entry is managed by uh, it is keeping track of the debit accounts as well as the credit accounts. Suppose why, because suppose one account is going to debit, some other account must be credit. So I have shown this one example. Now I am going to click on save. So after clicking the save, you will get one message. your cash book ID like this saved successfully. That means this transaction is saved. Okay. Now, mm, now here you will see the three buttons. One is the close button, one is the save buttons, one is the new buttons. So close means it will close, save means just I have shown you the save button functionality. Now I am going to click on a new. Okay, so it will refresh the general entry page. Okay. Hmm. Suppose one more transaction I am doing, bill by bill number 24. It's one second, by bill number 23. Okay, and in that times debitor was Arshita. Now I'm, let's see, A. Okay, now let's see, I am just debiting his transaction 5,000 to to bill number 23. Okay, so here this is the debited by this account. Okay, now it will be credited because he is refunding whatever bills is there, he is going to pay. So here I am just selecting this account. Okay, so now this account number, this is going to debit by 5,000 and this account is going to credit by 5,000. Click on save. Okay, so now this transaction is saved. So be careful whenever you you are doing the journal entry, then that times you have to cross verify, always cross verify the general balance should be 0. If general balance is not zero, that means your debit and credit is some mistakes. Okay, and one more things, here see the buy transaction. Buy means whenever you are performing the debit transaction, then you must put here buy, because you can, this is the transaction history. Okay, and so what kind of transaction you are doing, so you have to give here buy, you must put the buy. Okay, so every buy must should have the two transaction, two. So this is the debit parts, that's why we have put the buy, and this is the credit parts, so we have put the two. Two means, that means buy means from this account is going to debit by 5,000, and two means this account is going to credit by 5,000. Okay, so I think you have understood about how to general entry will be carried forward and how it will be the correct entry. Okay, now I'm going to click on new. Okay, now let's see. I am just showing one more transaction. Like suppose we have sold one software like this. No, just I am expecting the hospital software. Okay, now I am giving this software to our customer. So here my company name will be selected. I am selecting this account. Okay, this account number. And suppose I sold this software by 85,000. Okay, to means whom to sold, to just putting copy and paste, hospital software, to whom to sold, suppose my customer, like this. Suppose I have sold for this company. Okay, so now I am clicking on save. So I have sold my software by 85,000 to this customer. So my account is going to debit by 80,000, and he has purchased, so his account is going to credit it by 85,000. Now let's he has paid some advance amount. Just I am going to let's see, new, let's see. Okay, so suppose he has given 15,000 advance. So buy software at BANC advance. I have given the transaction description. Who has given? Just I am selecting the company name. I have selected this company name. What is the account number? I have selected this account number. And how much money he is going to pay it? Suppose 15,000. So I have given 15,000. So two transaction, I am making his two transaction. Now this his account is going to debit by 15,000, and which account will going to credit? This account. This account is going to credit by 15,000. So just I am going to click on save. So in this way, let's see what is how general entries I have shown you. Just click on new, and let's see, suppose we want to see the account statement between dates. So let I am going to click on 1 July to 2 July and click on save. It will show you the transaction details. Okay, now let's see, I am going to see the grid. So let's see, I'm going to there view details. Okay, so just now I have given you examples. He has purchased software of 85,000 from our company, so his account is going to credit it by 85,000. Okay, now we have to take the money from him to 85,000, but they have already paid the advance amount 15,000, so the remaining balance is 17,000. So we have to take the 70,000. Let's see, I'm going to click on see the transaction details of company. Let's see here. So 85,000 was debited, so it was there, and 50,000 was credit. So now 70,000 is remaining. let's see. Now if you go to the reporting section, from there I am going to there, and I will see the debitor balance. So I have lastly told you, I have already explained you account ledger grid and general grid. Now I am going to the debitor balance report. Okay, so for this debitor balance report I am going to account section, and then here you will be able to see the debitor balance report. Just click, nothing you have to do, just click on the show button. So here it will show the details like this. We have to collect money from this company 70,000. Okay, so in this way we can see whatever's due with our customer, whatever balance with our debitor, it will show in the debitor balance report. Now go to the next, creditors. Click on creditors. Okay, so this will similar way, this is the creditor list. Now creditor balance list. Now going to the debitor, click on show, so it will give you the all debitor list, and click on debitor and click the show, it will give you the all creditor list, and click on this and show all. Okay, so we have shown you the details about, again we have shown you the detail about the accounts reports, how accounts reports is working and how it is helpful for us, like debitor balance. So nothing. Now going to creditor balance, so now going to debitor list, so now going to creditor list, so now going to all list, so in this way this is the uh, very easy to manage and easy to learn also. Okay, so I am just stopping this video demo. I am just stopping this demonstration. We will explain you later in the next session. So today my target was to detail explanation about the account ledger grid, journal entry, debitor balance report, creditor balance reports, creditor list, and debitor list. If thank you for watching this, we will meet you again.